over the last coming months, I've had quite a few people ask me about budget PCs. So I decided to build one. The majority of this stuff I already had, but I have researched the value on the used market, and a lot of this stuff is fairly cheap and affordable. So the first thing I'm going to start out with, because I know RAM is extremely expensive at the moment, is the RAM. This RAM stick cost me £20 on Vinted. I don't know if many of you know what Vinted is, but it's an online platform where you can buy and sell things. Not sponsored, but great place to get a good deal. The GPU I already had from a previous computer, but I recently sold one of these exact GPUs for, I believe it was £70. So they are a decent budget GPU. Come with, obviously got 4GB of VRAM. It's not going to get you 4K gaming, but it will get you gaming. And underneath the AIO here, we have a Ryzen 5 4500. Now, I already know that somebody's going to comment how overkill an AIO is for this CPU, but I don't care. It's the only one I had the mounting bracket for, and it works okay. And then we have these fans just here, which I also had lay around. I believe they were £2 a fan. I think I got 6 of them, and I just had one left over, so I just put it in here. And then this motherboard is, I don't know if you can see, an ASRock B550M HDV. When I bought this motherboard new, it cost me £80. On the used market, they tend to go for £50 to £60. So we're in a good position. This AIO was free. Well, it's free for me, but if you were to buy one used, which I wouldn't do, I'd say probably £40 to £50 as well. I haven't researched the AIO because I'm not going to recommend that you put a used AIO in your PC, but I already had this one, like I say, and obviously it was the only one I had the mounting bracket for. Now, the white cables, these will lay around, but you can literally use any SATA cable, it does not matter. And then on the other side, we have obviously got some stickers because this case is used, 2 more fans with the AIO there. And then in terms of SSD storage, we have this one Samsung 128 gigs, which I also got for free. I'm not sure the value on that, but it definitely wasn't expensive. I think it was around £25. So yeah, I'm going to tear this whole system apart and just show you the build process. Another thing I forgot to mention is I'm not going to take the fans out because these are zip tied in and they were a pain to get in. So I'm not going to take those out, but I'm going to take everything else out so that I can show you how to build this from the ground up. By no means is this a proper building PC tutorial. That made no sense. By no means is this a proper PC building tutorial. It's more of a budgeting guide in terms of what you can get for the price you're going to be paying, because obviously this £70 used, CPU is £50 to £60 used, the motherboard £50 to £60 used.